Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at unsubscribing, hiding, or removing all of those other calendars you may see within Google Calendar and understanding what that means. To get started, we're going to take a look at all of our calendars on the left-hand side. You'll see calendars underneath the other calendars section as well as my calendars, and you may be wondering how some of these have gotten there. First off, maybe someone added you as a user to their calendar, or you're seeing these because they're linked to a Google Classroom. Every Google Classroom gets its own calendar as well. And if you've been added to a lot of Google Classrooms, you potentially see a lot of different calendars on the list. So let's talk about the difference between clicking the three dots and choosing to hide versus clicking the X and unsubscribing altogether. If you unsubscribe from a calendar, that means you will not get those events at all. If you hide it from the list, you can bring it back at any point. So before you unsubscribe from a calendar, just keep in mind what reason you're unsubscribing. If you're an administrator and it's just a bunch of teacher Google Classrooms, you may just want to unsubscribe from those altogether. However, if you are a teacher, you probably don't want to unsubscribe from your own Google Calendars. You may just want to choose to hide them. Now, what goes on a teacher's Google Calendar that's linked to their Google Classroom? Well, any assignments that they have a due date for, or teachers can actually use this calendar in any capacity with the students in their class by adding other events to this calendar as well. Just keep in mind, if every teacher is doing this, in terms of students, it can get a little messy, and students may not be used to managing all those important dates via Google Calendar. If I want to remove myself, I just click the X, and it is going to give me a reminder about what will happen if I choose to remove, and I'm going to remove myself from that calendar. This Let's Get Learning, I don't want to remove this, I just want to hide this from the list. Now, if at any point I need to go back in and see those calendars that I have hidden, I'm going to come up to the right-hand corner, select my settings, and underneath the list here, I can see those calendars that I have hidden, and I can choose to unhide those calendars at any point. So scrolling through the list, I can tell that these are hidden based on that little eyeball that has the line through it. Keep in mind, you don't have to unsubscribe or hide all of these calendars if you still want to be able to access them. You may just need to check or uncheck things when you're looking at your calendar to make it a little less messy as well.